Welcome back to my channel regarding the ServiceNow Training. So this version will be the Rome version. I will show you how to um, sign up for the new session, which is instance, and I'll explain you the basics of the ServiceNow admin tools. So let's get into the topics which we're going to cover today. So these are the topics which will be covered. In the topics, we'll see how to sign up for ServiceNow instance, how to install plugins, the roles, what is the roles assigned when the person is signed up, and what are the roles to be assigned for the people who can access the support roles. So roles will be explained and general explanation about the tools will be given, and then you can ask your questions in the comments. Like if any questions are there, you can ask. I'll be happy to answer. So let's get into the session of the first topic, how to sign up for the instance. So for signing up, you need to open the browser and just type in developer.servicenow.com. So it will give us the results. So choose the first option, which says developer.servicenow.com, and it will take you to this page. Okay, here if you already have your account, you can sign in. If not, you just need to sign up and start building. So let me sign up here. Let me show you what are the steps involved in signing up. So it will ask your first name, your last name, and your email address. Okay, so you can enter your password. So once it is done, it will be registered, and you can go ahead and sign in. Okay, so I have already signed in. I have the account. So let me sign in. Just a minute. So once we are signed in to the account, this will bring us to this page. Okay. So here it will ask us request instance and start building here. Okay. When once you sign up, this page will be triggered. So you can click on request for instance. So these are the versions it will be showing us. Paris, Quebec, Rome. So Rome is the latest version here. So we can select the Rome and we can request for. So I think my previous session has been backed up on January 22nd. Okay. So if I restore now, it will take a long time. Let me create a new session itself. Okay. So that we can just cover the topic. So once I click on the instance, the service now will be setting up the instance for us. And once this is completely green, here it will give us an option for start building. And once we get that option, we can go ahead and work on the service now. So once I get the access, I mean once I have a new home, let me show you how it looks like. Okay, see your instance is ready. Super fast it is. Let me open the instance. So it's taking time here, and it's going to open us the instance. Okay, so let's wait for some time. Here we go. See, this is the page which looks like once you signed up. So it will show you as system administrator, and these are the things which will show you. Um, so let's see. Okay, let's check here if we are able to see incident. Yeah, okay. So as we are system administrator, right? So we have all the roles. That's the reason these are visible. So for example, I'm creating a new user. Let me explain you about how it will look for a new user. Okay, how the instant looks for a new user. I'll explain you that. So for creating a new user, we need to get into the user accounts. Let's go to sys underscore user dot list. Okay, so this is a place where the users are created when they are joined. Okay, let me click on new and let me create a user account here. And let me create, okay, Tesh, first name, Tesh. So let's set the password. Okay, so here we go. The account is created. Once the account is created, let's check the roles. Okay, see, I don't have any roles given, not even a single role. So when I open my instance, let me see how it looks like. Just let me refresh and see if the roles is assigned. No roles are assigned. Okay, so this is how it looks for the new user when the account is created. So let's see here. Um, Let me log out here and let me log in as the user. Okay, okay, see, never. I'm logged in here, okay, as a new user. So if you check my profile, see my name will be visible. Here will be visible. Okay. My last name is visible. I'm not given any mobile number or business phone number, so that is not visible. Let's check how it looks for the person who doesn't have any roles. How the instance will be looking for the person who doesn't have any roles. Okay. If you click here, let me go to the service portal. See, if I just click on self-service, I have a service catalog. It brings me to this page. Let me see if I have incident, request, or change. See, self-service incident is there. I can see the incident which I have raised. I can watch the incident, whatever incidents I have watched, I can see that. But I'll not be able to create here as a new user. Okay, so I don't have access for incident. Let's check for change. See, for change, I don't have any support roles. You see, problem, I don't have. See, let me go to the portal. see. See, I don't have anything here. Only I can create my request. Nothing is there. As a new user. So the new user view will be like this. Whenever a user logs in, right? So the user doesn't gets this view. The user gets the view like this. Let me show you. ESS. There we go. Okay. So yeah. So usually that was the thing. Some company they change the name here. So if you change the name here, URL suffix, if I put here as ESS and I update it here. So now if I want to, so it will bring me to the source portal page. So this is how it's been configured. That is what I was trying to check it out. Okay, so this is the portal page which reflects for the user who has no roles assigned. Uh, so when roles like ITIL role is assigned to the user, let's check it out. Let me go ahead and assign a role for the user which we created. Okay, sys underscore user dot list. So let me search. Yeah, here we go. So there's no role, right? So now let me go ahead and give a ITIL role to the user. ITIL. Okay, and let me save it. Okay, so now the role is given to the user. Let me check if the user is now able to access the incident change problem module because previously um, the user was not able to check do that, right? So let's check now. Incident. See, we have now incident create view. So the users got the support access now. So this is the difference, okay? So whenever the new user is created without any role, so the user will be able to see the service portal screen. From there, he or she can request and raise the access for. And once the access is raised for ITIL, then the support role is given to the user, and user can use the support function. Okay, not all the users are given the support function. Only who is going to work in the environment and support role, and who has um, operation view of working in the environment. For them, it's been given the access of ITIL role. So this is about the creation of instance and the role, how the role works also. These two more topics are covered here. And I think let me end the session here with this topics. So in next session, if I'll explain you about the update sets and how it is used. So the other topics like how to create forms, how to create account, how to add users, roles, and other things will be explained in the next topic.